What is going on, y'all? Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com.
Crystal Sykes, KetoBrick.com.
And we're coming at you with another recipe, another keto brick-based recipe. Again, shout out to Joe at Keto Culinary Stuff on Instagram. He is the mastermind behind this and all the keto brick specific recipes. So let's dive in. We're making chocolate peanut butter brick muffins. So if you got the chocolate peanut butter brick, which by the way is probably my favorite peanut butter brick.
Yeah.
It's probably my favorite brick. So we're making some muffins now with it. Here we go. What we got?
This is like my jam right here.
My jam.
My jam. Alright, so starting over here, we have 4 eggs with a teaspoon of vanilla. I have half a peanut butter brick. So this one is our sweetener. It asks for a half of a cup, but we don't like things just as sweet, so we did a 1/4 cup. Ours is the Lakanto?
Yeah.
Lakanto brand monk fruit and erythritol. Then we have 2 cups of almond flour. There is a 1/4 cup of coconut flour with 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and then a half a cup of almond flour.
And these ingredients.
Almond milk is what it is.
And these ingredients yield these macros.
It is for each muffin without any toppings
How
on
many
there.
muffins?
I mean, actually, it doesn't say.
All right. So for each muffin.
For each muffin, without any toppings, it's 196.25 calories, 15.8 grams of fat, 7.9 grams of protein, and 5.6 grams of total carbs.
Boom. I like those macros.
Boom, he says.
All right. What do we do first? What's the eggs?
So we're gonna use a large bowl, and we're gonna melt the keto brick first.
Melting the brick. Again, it's only half a brick, so it won't take as long, but I'd probably do 15 to 20 second intervals in the microwave.
So what I'm gonna do first is add the sweetener to the bottom. I would like this to try and kind of like melt in with the keto brick. So I'm gonna put that off to the side. We're gonna mix it with the brick first.
All right, we have our melted keto brick.
That one melted so easy. So I'm just gonna pour it right in there.
We're gonna stir it.
You're
get the spatula?
Yes, if you would spatula that out, it'd be great.
Ooh, it smells so good. While we're sitting here making something with the peanut butter brick, we're sold out of peanut butter bricks on the website, but this is by far, I feel like, our best feedback received on a launched flavor, so
Totally.
I feel very good about that. Thank y'all for everyone that got brick.
And also, you know, if you didn't get the opportunity to get a peanut butter brick, this will work just fine with any other flavor brick. This recipe will work just as well. All right, if you want to add the eggs and the vanilla, that would be nice. And you don't really want your eggs to cook in the keto brick, so you want to make sure that it melted a little, or cooled down a little bit before you put the eggs in.
Now what? Almond flour?
Just let me mix it a little bit in here.
I haven't had a muffin in a while. I'm excited about
I
it.
haven't either, and I love muffins. So, I love pastries in general, but muffins are delicious. Alright, go ahead and add that.
This whole thing?
It says slowly, but that's fine.
Alright, it's been added.
Oh, actually, it just said add this and then slowly whisk in the milk afterwards.
Can I stir this too? Help you out. We have a whisk, but we're not using that.
Because I'm weird.
Because she's weird.
When it says to mix, I feel like you should mix. When it asks to whisk, you should use a whisk.
The whisk is used for mixing.
It's used for whisking.
Okay, I'm clearly the master chef in this one. Alright, slowly add this in.
other powders first, please.
And what's in here? Baking powder and coconut
Coconut flour. Those are the 2 ingredients that are gonna help it rise and be all fluffy and delicious. I do like coconut flour for baking, but I don't like that it's so high in carbs.
We didn't put much in there though.
No, 1/4 cup.
Slowly add the milk.
Not yet.
Denied.
Denied. Okay, and then it says slowly whisk, adding milk in small amounts until you get a muffin batter consistency. That's right, it's time to whisk, guys. I'm not a good whisker. Okay.
You're not a good whisker?
Nope.
Yeah, me fool, you got plenty of whiskers. That was pretty funny. It's like a cheesy, funny cooking video. You are quite the whisker, baby.
Smells good.
That smells pretty good. What is the muffin batter consistency? I don't know what that means.
Usually muffins pour.
Pour?
Like usually it's like still thick, but it usually like pours a little bit easier. We'll probably end up using all that, honestly. I don't know if you guys knew this about me, but I actually used to work in a bakery. I was a pastry baker.
I don't know if y'all knew this about me, but I used to be an ice cream truck driver.
That's true. So funny how far we've come.
Should I get the muffin tin thing?
Sure. That's in me.
Alright, so we have our little muffin tins, silicone muffin molds. I'm about to dollop these in there.
Dollop them in there.
It's not gonna pour. It's supposed to pour.
I mean, I said it's kind of thick, but it's like,
It's pretty good, I feel.
eh.
Let's do it. And you're probably gonna want to spray something in the muffin. What did you spray in here?
Just oil.
Just oil? Like a butter spray if you got it or something like that. Alright, y'all, so we have 12 muffins ready to rumble. So that serving batch basically makes 12 muffins. So what are we gonna do? Put some chocolate chips
you
on
can
there?
put some in there. Yeah.
So we're gonna do some without and some with. You don't wanna do this?
Usually you do it like halfway through so they don't burn.
We were lazy. We got these in
Apparently, we're
the.
lazy.
We did a product review video on this today. It's Keto chocolate chips, and the brand is Explorado Market. But they're super tasty. So we're gonna sprinkle a couple of these on here.
You got half and half or?
Yeah, half and half is good.
Okay.
That doesn't have very many on.
Okay.
Alright.
So after that's all done, you're going to stick it in the oven.
For
325 at 325 for 25 to 30 minutes. So we're gonna do that. We'll see you guys in a second.
Alright, y'all, we are back. They were in the oven for 28 minutes? 26 minutes?
Yeah, more like 25, yeah.
25 minutes at 325.
25.
And we have some taken out of the pan here that we're going to take pictures of. The rest here are good to go. They smell and look delicious. Let's try one without any chocolate chips first.
Can we put butter on it?
Yeah.
Actually, let's just try it without butter and then...
Without butter. I'm going to
Yeah.
cut it in half.
Sure.
I have a slice test here. Nice.
Slice is pretty nice.
It does
Jack
slice.
hair.
You have Jack's hair.
It was on my nail, not in the muffin.
Alright, so nice, good slices. Pretty thick, pretty dense, as is typical with most
pretty dense.
keto breads, but
Smells good.
cheers.
Cheers. Hot. It's good.
It's really good.
Now I'm gonna try it with butter.
It's got like a super moist.
Yeah, like that.
That's a bunch of butter.
One?
Yeah.
No. Dabble in butter, you gotta douse it.
It's really good. And honestly,
Almost like cornbread.
yeah, it's kind of how I feel about it too. With the butter for sure.
Yeah.
It's like a savory almost. That's one
this
with
is so
chocolate
good.
chips.
You can make it sweeter. I mean, like ours had half the amount of sweetener because we just don't really like things super sweet. But this is delicious.
Yeah. Well, it's all chocolate chips there. But what would you give it on a scale of 1 to 10 for ease of creation? There you go.
Oh, thanks. I would give it probably like an 8.
8? Pretty easy to make.
I mean, you literally throw things in there, but I did a lot of the prep work. Like,
What about nutrient density?
I
I mean, it is a muffin, so we probably would give it like a 5.
Yeah.
Let's try some chocolate chips real quick.
I'm not, It's so hot.
So good though. For price, when you got the peanut butter brick, the different flours.
Yeah. If you're buying it from scratch, this is going to be expensive. But if you already have the flours and stuff lying around, you're really not using that much of it. The most flour that you're going to use is the 2 cups of almond flour, which is the cheaper of the 2 flours that you're using.
Yeah. As far as like taste, I'm gonna give this thing. I don't really crave bread so much, being keto as long as I have. But I remember when I first started keto, I was like always craving breads, and this would totally have hit that spot for sure. Now it's like a super good treat every once in a while. I like this for sure. I'd probably give it like an 8 on taste, or maybe 8.5.
I'd probably give it a 9.
9.
Like, you can do whatever you really want with it, and clearly I'm putting a ton of butter on it. But I literally just ate my first meal of the day, so I have plenty of calories left to eat.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'd give it like an 8 or a 9. It's very, very good. It's super delicious, super moist is what I really like about it. Yeah, it's good. I could actually see myself not adding the sweetener and using this.
There's cornbread.
No, but yes. As like a bread, like cutting it in half and putting like egg in the middle and bacon. That would be delicious.
But huge shout out to Joe at Keto Culinary Stuff. Killed it
That was
again.
a good bite.
Super delicious. Check it out. This is going to be on the KetoBrick.com website because it's a keto brick recipe. All the other recipes are on the KetoSavage.com site. But yeah, check it out. Give it a shot. Let me know what you think. And we'll see you next time.